let's put out the statement that's coming in from the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who says that the Congress is the B team of the BJP, adding that the BJP and the Congress must fight both together. So not the first time that Kejriwal is saying that Congress is the B team of the BJP. He says that it's high time that the BJP and the Congress must fight both together, something which has been said time and again by the other Aam Aadmi Party leaders as well. Let's listen in to that statement of the former Delhi Chief Minister.
आप कांग्रेस को इतना सीरियसली क्यों लेते हैं? जनता ने लेना बंद कर दिया। आप पत्रकार, कुछ चंद पत्रकार उनको अभी भी सीरियसली लेते हैं। आप कांग्रेस को इतना सीरियसली क्यों लेते हैं? जनता ने लेना बंद कर दिया। आप पत्रकार, कुछ चंद पत्रकार उनको अभी भी सीरियसली लेते हैं।
Now, a thick blanket of fog shrouded the national capital this morning, with the visibility reduced to just 50 meters in some pockets of the national capital. The IMD has issued an orange alert for dense fog in the national capital.
A thick fog engulfed the national capital today, with the visibility reduced to just 50 meters in certain pockets of Delhi. The fog blanket compounded the woes for people in the national capital, which is already in the grip of severe cold wave conditions. Delhi's IGI airport reported zero visibility, with a staggering 92 flights delayed. The IGI airport also issued an advisory for air passengers, even as 15 flights were diverted. Budget carrier Indigo announced a temporary suspension of arrivals and departures, citing the prevailing weather conditions. Air India too put out an advisory stating that dense fog had affected flight services and schedule in Delhi and other northern regions. The runway visibility at IGI dipped to between 100 and 250 meters, prompting the implementation of Cat-3 operations. Several long-distance trains at the New Delhi station were also running late as fog gripped the national capital and across North India.
यूनियन कार्बाइड के जहरीले कचड़े को पीतमपुर में जलाने का जमकर विरोध हो रहा है। लोग सड़कों पर उतरे, उन्होंने हंगामा किया, विरोध किया, पुलिस पर पथराव किया और इस दौरान लाठीचार्ज भी हुआ। हालात ये बन गए कि दो लोगों ने खुद को आग लगाकर आत्मदाह की कोशिश भी की। हालांकि प्रशासन और सरकार लगातार ये भरोसा दिला रही है कि लोगों की भावनाओं का ध्यान में रखते हुए ही कचड़े का निष्पादन किया जाएगा। फिलहाल इस खबर पर हम लगातार अपडेट देते रहेंगे, लेकिन वक्त है इस समय एक छोटे से ब्रेक का।